What are we doing today, old man?
We're headed downtown. We're headed downtown to drive the new all-electric Volkswagen ID Buzz. We're gonna do a comparison between an ID Buzz and a split window bus, mostly known as a T1 on a frigid Monday morning at spring break.
Hi, Matt Jackson.
Hi, everybody.
Even Matt Jackson.
We got Matt Jackson in front of the camera today, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be a fun day. We got VWLIFE coming to you, and Volkswagen of America reached out to us. So we kind of made it. We're doing all right. But it's gonna be a fun day, and well, Matt Jackson looks cozy in the back of Ziggy.
Oh, the heater's on.
We're early.
Yeah, we are early.
Buzz,
Lovely view. So where do they keep up the cars? They got them juiced up somewhere right now?
They keep them on one of those other streets right over there.
Might not get a picture.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Take a picture of me. Drive seat as well.
What's your name? Brandon. Sure. Okay.
Hey, Holmes. Those fancy cameras they have.
Hey Holmes, check out the sexy camera I got.
I don't know if it's quite as fancy.
Hold on, you gotta be showing Matt Jackson. I don't know who you're with.
Who are you, Matt Jackson?
First impressions, gents?
Oh, it's clean. Really clean design.
All right.
It's cool, man. I like it. It's very cool. It's bigger. It's big. It's way bigger than I thought it was.
So does it open all together?
Oh, yeah. Huh, why not? Wow.
Jiminy Christmas, it's a lot
All
of
the
fiber
area.
space. I think I see DY's replacement.
Does this thing toad?
Oh, ho, ho. Eat your heart out, Jerry.
Nice.
So, yeah, so everything's awesome in this thing. I love it.
Matt Jackson's
I've been
playing with
driving
the
for
seat.
about a week, so
Yeah, you like it.
I'm getting a massage.
a lot.
All right, VWLifers, so they're gonna roll around in the ID Buzz, and I'm just gonna chase around, get some B-roll, and kind of just go along, but they're in the 2024, I'm in the 1966. Here we go. VWLife cam, B-roll. Congrats, Jen, y'all made it. They grow up so fast. They grow up so fast. So this is the production team. There's the old man and Matt Jackson. There's the ID Buzz. There's the Mean-Eyed Cat. There's Ziggy the Bus. And here's Austin, Texas. Setting up for a thumbnail. Where you need me, Matt Jackson? That's Ziggy's good side. Dude, y'all have no idea how many cameras I got right now. 1, 2, 3. Me.
I'd like it
You.
straight on the same line just for focus.
Alright, cool. Okay.
So we'll have the side of it right about here.
Hey.
That'll work.
Is that your buddy?
No.
We don't know. We don't know Toyotas. Yeah, we don't know anybody in Toyota.
Alright.
Window up.
Yeah, how you feeling, Pops?
Well, it's pretty exciting. It's just like a lot of, I've always heard that when you do this kind of stuff, there's a lot of standing around. And
Because everybody's got to get their part done.
yeah, you know, so I'm used to like GSDing, so.
And one take, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, I know. It's like, so here we are, you know.
You guys want to play the shot?
Clearing the shot. Now we're taking a thumbnail. We got to clear the shot.
Nels Hump GM, cover that up. Nose to nose like this right here?
Yeah, profile.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, I gotta drive.
So you can move Ziggy back?
Yes, sir. I think we have a first ever in VW Life history. We're doing a second take. Alright, VW Life. So we're gonna pull up here to Zilker Park and go to Martin Springs, which is a really natural spring in Austin. It's like always kept at this temperature right here. And so that's where we're going right now. And there's the tree for Christmas that's still up because, I don't know, what's a moonlight tower? Party at the moonlight tower.
Guys, party at the moon tower.
Over there is the ID Buzz, the star of today's show.
Austin is just growing leaps and bounds. We all know that. And there's just so much concern with the. So that's one of my big things as being a science teacher too. You know,
Kind of a big deal.
So we've got a full camera crew, and that's a big, nice Sony camera and a lens, and we've got GoPros, and we have audio.
We got GoPro too, Matt Jackson.
Well, they have
speaker right there. You see it? That's what we got.
Yeah, true.
That's how much Matt Jackson loves me, VW Life, because that's what he gives me.
Yeah, you can't carry one of those things, I don't think.
I can carry anything, Matt Jackson. Anything.
Okay, we're gonna get you one of those.
I haven't turned Ziggy off today. So far, so good.
I'll grab the 360.
Okay.
We out here.
Chasing the Volkswagen ID Buzz through the streets of Austin in a 1966 Volkswagen Bus. Get your heart out, Tesla. The ID Buzz is coming. Driving by the start of the world famous Austin VW Life June Bug Rally here in Austin, Texas. And I gotta say, there's like no traffic today. So the ID Buzz up there looking great. And oh, that's a yellow. Probably, I don't know what the rules about filming and driving are. Oh, look at all the stuff for South by. But South by Southwest is going on right now, so we got all this. The June Bug start. Don't they know the June Bug Rally is gonna be here in June? Well, y'all know we had to accomplish lunch nowhere else but top-notch hamburgers and fried chicken and shrimp.
feel the seats. Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
It's like driving Ziggy.
Why is it like driving Ziggy or Jerry?
Well, because it stands out. I mean, look at it. It's unique. The color combination. This is pomelo yellow. It's a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful.
Are people waving at you?
Yeah, we're getting lots of waves, you know. And then just putting these two guys side by side is amazing. It's really cool.
I didn't approve of this.
Oh wow! All right, happy boy. Thank you, thank you. 8112.
You're a top notch. And you know, it runs its generator, not an alternator. Mechanical fuel pump.
Just like my 66 Mustang.
Yeah,
generator.
exactly.
I am so glad I cleaned that this morning.
Everything's right there. That's the thing. I mean, you know, when we're on these trips, inevitably, you know, we went to a trip a couple years ago to New Mexico. We went through, like, we just had a bad run on fuel pumps.
Yeah.
Iconic restaurant of all places in Austin, as far as I'm concerned. What do you think?
I'm hungry. We worked up an appetite for Austin.
Then I want to do the team photo there.
3 takes.
Wasn't on me, Jack.
Took you 3 takes there, Matt Jackson.
No, it wasn't 3 takes. Sometimes things take, these things take time, okay?
Electric Volkswagen party.
I have 2 or 3 of those in my name.
All right, Matt Jackson, you just got back from your interview. How'd it go? What happened?
The producer's just asking me my impressions of it. So we're just being honest, and truthfully, it's got a lot of power. It's super clean. It feels like, you know, we have these old Volkswagens and they're loud and they're kind of, you know, bumpy, and this thing is like the future. It's a spaceship, and it's a bus. I mean, it is a bus. It's the new bus. It's not gonna be like the old bus, but it's really cool. I like it. And now Gary's in there getting interviewed.
Yeah, Matt Jackson, I feel like you really, you know, because when he's not driving Helga, he's driving his Prius.
Yeah.
And that's, you know, has electric mode and all that. And you say that this thing is just so different.
So I think the main concern is you have to charge it, and people worry that you're not gonna have enough juice.
What's that, range anxiety? Is that what they call it?
Exactly. We've been driving it all morning and it's still at 92%. You can easily do 200 miles, and for me, 200 miles.
Ziggy's at half a tank. We started full.
And that's gonna cost you how much a gallon?
Yeah,
to fill up?
no kidding.
So,
All right, well, I'm gonna go get some B-roll, Matt Jackson.
all right, Gary's in there right now.
Cut. We're filming the official closer now, but it's not over.
Yeah.
Well, Ziggy got stolen, so now
Now we're going to Zilker Park, baby.
I'm riding with Matt Jackson and the ID Buzz.
Well, we got a side-by-side comparison of the new ID Buzz.
The first video was more of a tour of Austin. This is a tour of the Buzz.
Yeah, we're gonna give you a full-on tour of the ID Buzz.
Yeah, I gotta give you an idea of. Everyone wants to get a real feel for it, and I think no better way to do it than
Straight up comparison with Ziggy the Bus, and then so you got a 66 Type 2, and you've got a 2023 and a 24 ID Buzz.
Yep.
So we're gonna compare these things together.
VWLIFers, here we are. I got the old man and Matt Jackson back in Ziggy. These two guys have been everywhere in the ID Buzz today. Gents, what'd y'all think?
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere. I don't know what the feeling is. What do you, I mean, it's like I need to decompress.
yes, that's
To
the
some
word.
degree. I mean, because it's just been, first of all, just being with the ID Buzz was really cool.
Yeah.
Just take that's one half. Then this whole production
Yeah.
with all these folks
Yeah.
and microphones and stuff
And
like
they
that.
were all so. They are so cool.
gosh.
They said, "What do you guys want to do? Where do you want to go? Tell us all about it." And that's all we did.
I know, it was like, it was kind of like we were, it was our ideas. And what fun. I mean, just straight up. I mean, I'd like for us to go somewhere and have a sarsaparilla or something.
You got a good sarsaparilla.
Yeah.
I just need to, I gotta pee.
Let's do that.
All right, VWLIFers, first of all, thank y'all so much for sticking around today with me on the behind the scenes of the great ID Buzz VWLIFE crossover. I really enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, if the old man was standing here, he would tell you, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, so everybody know about VWLIFE. Make sure you subscribe. Thank y'all so much, and leave a comment about the ID Buzz, what you want to know about it. You know what? Maybe Matt Jackson and I will get in there and we'll answer your question. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.